Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on Bybit app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you already have an account on Bybit app and already verified yourself as well. And now right after that, once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Bybit apps on in the screen. So now if you want to sell the crypto on Bybit app, then you can see there is assets option at the bottom right corner of this dashboard, which is distinguishable by its wallet icon. So let's tap on that wallet icon, and now you can see there is deposit option in here, which is at the left side of the withdraw option. So let's tap on the deposit, and now you can see there is three options in here: buy with NPR, P2P trading, and deposit crypto. So you need to select the P2P trading, which is at the second. So once you tap on it, now you can see there is buy and sell option in here. So if you want to buy, then you can simply tap on the buy, and you can see there is seller available in here. And if you want to sell crypto, then just tap on the sell, and you can see there is lots of buyers available in here now. So if you want to choose the crypto, then just tap on the USDC or BTC or ETH. You can see there is 4 options to buy. So let's tap on the USDT for now, and you can simply choose any of the buyers from here, and you simply need to communicate with them. So once you verify yourself and once your transaction gets complete, you will be able to sell your crypto on Bybit app successfully. So basically this is how, and from this section you will be able to sell your crypto on Bybit app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.